doing the last of the trail prep on our YJ, and I mentioned to you in an earlier video, we done the Durango steering box, and we noticed that the intermediate shaft was tore up. Well, Brown truck brought the intermediate shaft today. Let's get started and get it put on. Here is our intermediate shaft. As you can see, she's got some wear on her. We picked up this used one off of deadjeep.com out of Rhode Island because for some reason the junkyards around here didn't understand what I meant by intermediate shaft, so I just bought this one online. It's like a 12 and a 13 millimeter. Get this whole garbage out of the way. This is not going well at all. There we go. Okay, I said 12 or 13 millimeters. I lied. 6.5 inch is what this one was. Thinking that one should come off pretty easy. You had it off earlier when we changed the box. Wiggle. I'm not sure what's going on here. Our original shaft, which is the one that came with this tub, was too short. It was almost ready to pull apart. That's why it had so much play in it. This one is almost acting like it was a hair too long. It's not a hair, but pretty close to being. I'm not sure what I want to say here. It was pretty freaking long. So much that the shaft was worn out. Evidently it was too short. Like, let's tighten it up and see what we got. Think about hodgepodging stuff together. That's how we go. Much better. I don't have a good way to show this to you, but I'm sitting here telling myself there's no way there's that much difference in intermediate shafts. It's a stinking YJ, for crying out loud. 87, 95, they should all be the same. We're cleaning that shaft off. See this little notch here? There's a little notched area here where the nylon keeper goes. And then there's a notch about yay long with some more shaft. The other part of that shaft is inside here. That's why we had so much play. Put this out where it normally rides. Because it broke. It's all the engagement we had right there. There's a very good chance whatever took this tub out originally took this intermediate shaft out. And I never noticed. So that's why we had so much play. And that's why when you see something like that, you fix it. Because we were one good body flex away. Rico can't steer Jeep.